Today we have 6 new sight words. The first sight word is the word color. Can you say color? What is your favorite color? Let's go ahead and spell it. C-O-L-O-R. Color. The next word is nothing. Take a look. We have the th in here and we have the ing. Can you say nothing? Good job. There is nothing I like more than coffee. Go ahead and spell it with me. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Nothing. The next word is early. Can you say early? Good. I got up early this morning. Let's go ahead and spell early. E-A-R-L-Y. Early. The next word is O. Can you say O? Good job. We can't hear the H in this word. Oh, I didn't know you were coming. Let's go ahead and spell O. O-H. The next word is instead. Can you say instead? I was going to have waffles for breakfast, but instead I had some fruit. Let's go ahead and spell instead. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. Instead. And our last word is thought. Can you say thought? Good job. We also have a TH in this word. I thought I didn't do well on my test, but I actually did really good. Let's go ahead and spell thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Let's go ahead and practice these really quick. Ready? Color. Nothing. Early. O. Instead. Thought. Let's go ahead one more time. See if you can beat me. Say it before me. Color. Nothing. Early. O. Instead. Thought. Great job. Now you're going to head on over to your I Spy page and fill in all of these words that you see and figure out which one is our mystery word this week. Once you're done, go ahead and take a picture.